A triumphant living Tuesday to you. Just a quick reminder here, Dr. Faith, your life coach, want to remind you that your brand is your calling. Wherever you find yourself in the spectrum of business, whether you are a startup entrepreneur, whether you are an entrepreneur with 3 to 5 years experience, or you are a veteran entrepreneur with an established clientele, let me remind you that God has given you a calling. And you have a purpose behind your brand. Never get it confused with the dollars. It's not about the dollars. You do what God has called you to do. Doors will open to produce those dollars, that revenue that you foresee and that you desire, that's on your vision board and that you want to come to fruition. Be faithful in serving your calling first. If you're called to serve people, to help build people, to lead people, to write for people, to empower people, to help individuals organize their life,